create a layered salad. It's a layered salad. Instead of just mixing everything together, it's going to be like a blended, layered meal that I had an idea for yesterday. Some lemon to this avocado to preserve its bright green color so it doesn't turn like a dull brown olive color. So it's more attractive when you're eating it. And I'm going to do this, I'm going to add lemon juice to beets also whenever I blend them. That'll preserve their red color instead of making them go like black.
The avocado already looks amazing.
Yeah, why is it looking red? Oh, it's because I was cutting it on the, has like some pink spots. It has the beet juice where I cut the beets on the cutting board. And the reason I decided to fork the avocado is because it's better that fatty foods don't touch plastic. I was gonna use a blender, but I took it out because the blender is made all plastic, mostly plastic. And we don't want plasticides and phthalates to get into our food. Try to minimize that if we can. So since this is a really ripe avocado, I got it on a special because it's like, you know, it's needs to be eaten now, and it's real soft, real easy. Like unlike this avocado is not, it's probably ready to eat now, but it's still hard. So I cut beets into smaller pieces. Actually, you'll probably chop that in half. And I put like 5 pieces, and I added a little bit of water, like maybe this much water in there. Yeah, and I'm gonna blend them in there because the blender thing is not gonna disperse them evenly. Just gonna add that to add a little bit more bulk because I did add water, so the liquid and the fiber are kind of separate. The chia is gonna absorb that liquid and make this part of this layer thicker, not so liquidy. A few in there just to sweeten these beets, because sometimes beets are not real sweet. It's always a surprise, and I don't feel like eating beets right now and tasting them. So I'm gonna blend those in there as well, and just a few, and we'll give it like a nice texture and flavor. Oh yeah, I also need to add some lemon juice. Just a little bit of lemon juice. Just squeeze it in there to preserve the color.
So now you're layering the dip?
Yeah. Like spoon all the way in, and you'll be like have different colors to it. So hopefully it'll be pretty.
It looks like ginger.
Yeah, but you can tell it's not because when you cut it, it's orange. So, have you ever had raw turmeric root? Do you want to try some?
Does it taste like the powder?
I think it tastes better than the powder. It's a little bit more fresh.
Yeah, it's better.
Water, added water, so I want to add honey to kind of bring back some of that sweetness that the water diluted. And I add water also when I grate carrots, the same for beets, you know, about this much to help me blend the carrots to a finer consistency. Blend it. I'm going to add a little bit of this avocado. Kind of try not to mix it too much. Create a mess. Going to keep the layers separated. Kind of in globs, I guess. And I'll use the spatula, hopefully, to kind of spread it out a little bit. All doesn't have to be perfect, but try not to get beets, I guess, on top. But it's all going to be you know, covered with some nutritional yeast. Here, I'm gonna put on top here in a minute. Nutritional yeast. This one is from Natural Grocers. It's my favorite store. And when you buy it in this bag, it's a lot cheaper. It's like half price. Anyway. Not too much, but it gives a bit of a like cheese flavor. And it's a really good source of vitamin B's, like a full B, vitamin B complex. A lot of us are deficient. And now I'm gonna add some carrots on top. Soluble fiber, and it's a really cool product. It helps to add bulk, kind of thicken things, and it gives you a sense of fullness. It helps you feel full. It doesn't have any calories, and it comes from a plant root from Japan. So just blend it in real quick as soon as I add it, so it doesn't like stick to itself and create little balls. A little bit more. Top this with avocado.
So,
Well, that's kind of like a
chili powder.
yeah. Some honey and just kind of drizzle it like this, and to just add a little bit of nice presentation and flavor, and kind of go around with a little bit of avocado oil or olive oil kind of around. Don't get too crazy, but I think
I think we're done now.
we're done.